Today I will show you how to type equation like this, and it has over bar with that. So let's increase the font size so everybody can see it clearly. Let's type X and highlight it. Then go to Insert, Equation, Insert a new equation. And from here, we need to select accent. Then we select overbar. Now you see it has overbar. So let's input plus. Oh, wait a moment. Plus y. So you can see if you continue typing, it will have overbar with that. So what you need to do is, because the X is highlight, so click, right click, then move mouse to here. Then it's not highlight anymore. In typing